Hi Libra, this is your reading for the first week of May 2021. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, whichever sign resonates the most with you. Generally, it's the Moon sign that resonates with most of us. Let's see. Libra, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Not every message is meant for everybody watching, since this is a general reading. Alright, let's see Libra, message for you. Deep breath. Imagine no place like home, at least in these times today. That seems right. TikTok. Alright. There is something that you are manifesting, something that you are trying to bring to life. You may be creating something sitting at home. Just know in divine timing, things will happen. Alright? Divine timing, yes. That's the most important thing here. It won't happen when you want it to. It will happen, but in divine timing. Alright? Just trust the universe and surrender. The universe will bring in everything that's meant for your highest and best good. Alright? The universe really gives you everything that you need for your spiritual growth. Let's see, message for you. In the tarot, the overall energy for your reading. 6 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. 6 of Wands, Knight of Cups, and the Fool. Queen of Cups, Knight of Wands, 6 of Swords. Alright. The overall energy for your reading is the 6 of Pentacles. There is something that you are trying to balance in a situation. We don't know what the situation is yet, but we'll see. In the past, you have, I hope you can see the cards, just let me make this a little. In the recent past, you have the 10 of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. I do see a commitment. It could be a long-term partnership of any sort. You may have rushed into it in a way, rushed into a new beginning. In the present, you have the 6 of Wands, the Knight of Cups, and the Fool card. Again, there's a lot of free-spirited energy in the present, Libra. So I think that you feel that you've overcome something, or you're free from something. Somebody still carries this love for you though. It's as if they are still there, even though you may feel that you've moved on. In the future, you have the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Wands, and the 6 of Swords. Again, there is mutual love here. This person could be somebody who is the one you're dealing with, somebody who is very passionate, very action oriented kind of person, but also somebody who enjoys their freedom. I think you are leaving something behind. I do see you wanting to leave something behind. At least that's what you want to do in the present, and in the future I do see you taking action towards it. Clarify 6 of Pentacles for Libra. 5 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups, and the Queen of Swords. Alright, I think that is your fear that you are finally addressing. You may have felt, abandoned or left out in the cold in the past, and that could have been a pattern. That could have been a pattern that you followed, or that followed you in every situation, because you always feared losing somebody or something. I do see you looking at it. I do see you trying to free yourself from it. I do also get a sense that somewhere you feel that you've overcome it. You may have overcome most of that. Clarify 10 of Pentacles in the past. 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords. There's a lot of effort, work done here. There's a lot of work that was put in. You did work on building something here. One person here out of the two of you was a little closed off, Libra. And I don't know who that is yet. There was, even though they wanted to be a part of this connection or partnership, whatever this partnership is, somewhere they still held back. They may have not communicated to you that way, but somewhere they still held back, and that was very deceptive. Clarify Knight of Swords. Even though you saw that, it's as if on the surface you feel everything is right, but deep within the heart was closed. Clarify Knight of Swords. 3 of Wands, Justice, King of Swords. We have the King and the Queen of Swords here. There's waiting. Alright. There's waiting. You're still waiting on things to balance out, things to work out. You may have still the tendency of, alright, things could, okay, let me just start all over again. I think things may have come to an end because you may have not felt the right kind of energies coming from your person, and you may have run away from this, on one hand, you also carry a lot of anger from whatever happened, and you are also waiting for things to work out. Clarify Ace of Pentacles. The Devil, King of Cups, King and the Queen of Cups, and the 9 of Wands. See, the more you resist to start anew, the more you are as if giving energy to those cycles and the patterns all over again. The more you try to hold on, even though it's getting difficult, the more you are giving power to the devil here, the devil energy. The devil is the pattern. You trying to make things work. You may have done this in the past, and this is a pattern that you have been following. So you would know what that resistance is. Clarify 6 of Wands in the present. Eight of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, 5 of Cups. Alright, that's good. I do see that you are putting in work and you are detaching yourself emotionally. You may have tried to make things work, or you tried to hold on to things even if it wasn't working. It wasn't working in your favor for your highest and best good. And eventually, at least now, you have left it behind. You have left it behind. You have decided to detach yourself from this emotionally. No more giving or investing your emotions in this connection. You are taking care of yourself a lot. And just know that the more you take care of yourself, the more people like that you will attract. The more beautiful and peaceful vibration you will be creating around you. Clarify the Knight of Cups in the present. I don't feel like picking this up, so let's do it again. Knight of Cups. 2 of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and the 9 of Pentacles. All Pentacles. I think you're working on your stability. You are putting in a lot of time and effort on yourself. You are working on maybe getting a new job, maybe moving forward to a new venture, the new business that you want to start all over for you. You know, there's a lot of you may be feeling there's a lot on your plate to handle at this moment. You may be overwhelmed with your office work or whatever it is, but at least that's what is your priority at the moment. Clarify the Fool, Ace of Swords, Page of Swords, Nine of Swords. Huh. You know, even though you want to start anew, afresh, and that's what you are telling people, or that's what you're communicating on, you know, there is still some stress that holds you back, Libra. Still some sleepless nights. Make sure that you are not exhausting yourself just to hide what you feel or not feel what you're feeling. Let's see the Queen of Cups. Chariot, Ten of Swords, Page of Wands. You are moving forward, but you are moving forward for yourself. You are putting an end to whatever emotions and whatever you felt for somebody. I think you are pulling back your energy. Clarify Knight of Wands. High Priestess, Hermit, Four of Cups. Your intuition is telling you to address your unhappiness, sadness that you bring about in the present because of whatever you are still attached to from the past. Even though you on the outside, I think you are showing that you are happy and single and all on your own, but deep inside you are carrying that sadness that you don't want to address. Clarify Six of Swords. Death, Page of Cups, King of Wands. One more please. Temperance. You do seem to be putting an end to this connection, Libra. You may be dealing with a fire sign, or you have strong fire in your chart. But I see you not wanting to give your love to this situation anymore. Whoever this is. Sagittarius, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Cancer, Virgo, Libra. That's you right there. But I think just give yourself the time. If you're taking some time out to heal, just make sure that you are giving yourself ample time, and you are in no rush to be in a relationship, no rush to be single. Just be, just aware, just conscious of your life, aware of every action you take, the awareness of the present moment. Alright? That's the message for you, Libra. Take what resonated and leave what did not. I will come back with your second week readings. Until then, sending you love and light. See you soon, darlings. Bye-bye.